In the vast expanse of untouched wilderness, where the earth holds secrets buried deep beneath its surface, we stand on the brink of a new era in mineral exploration. The MagArrow Sensor, a marvel of modern technology, is our key to unlocking those secrets. Imagine a drone, sleek and silent, gliding effortlessly above the rugged terrain, equipped with this cutting-edge sensor, sweeping the landscape with precision. It's not just a tool. It's a revolution in how we perceive and interact with the Earth's resources. As the drone hovers, the MagArrow sensor begins its dance, detecting minute variations in the magnetic field. Each fluctuation tells a story, a whisper from the depths of the Earth, revealing the presence of minerals that have lain undisturbed for millennia. We're no longer confined to the laborious methods of the past, digging blindly, hoping to strike gold or copper. Now, we have the ability to map the unseen, to visualize the invisible tapestry of minerals that crisscross beneath our feet. But it's not just about efficiency, it's about sustainability. With the MagArrow sensor, we minimize our footprint, reducing the need for invasive drilling and extensive land disruption. We can explore with respect, ensuring that the ecosystems we traverse remain intact. This technology empowers us to make informed decisions, to choose the right sites for exploration, and to do so with a conscience. In this age of innovation, we are not merely seekers of wealth. We are stewards of the Earth. The MagArrow sensor is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a promise to explore responsibly, to harness the Earth's riches while preserving its beauty for generations to come. As we embrace this technology, we step into a future where exploration and conservation walk hand in hand, guided by the whispers of the Earth itself. For drone magnetic survey in East and Central Africa, check with us, Sky PM Solutions, mobile, +25 5746191777, email, info@skypmsolutions.com.